Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so we have the King of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Seven of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, and the Four of Cups. Followed by the Ace of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords. The Devil, the Emperor, okay, that's enough. The Hermit, the Death card, and the Knight of Cups. So let's see what are the messages for Sagittarians for this deck, from this deck. Okay. Guidance from the angels for Sagittarians. Okay, so Sagittarians, what's happening here is that you have been quite maybe very detached or guarded or maybe even too straightforward, perhaps in your life or in this situation, whatever the situation is. So it's being like very blunt, very straightforward, not mincing with your words, and uh, very strategic to some extent, I should say. Okay, it's like you knew how to get your things done, sort of a thing. Okay, so that is the energy over here. You know what to do, you know how to get your things done. That's what you've done it, and very strategically you have achieved some sort of stability gradually. That's what I'm getting. So you have used your perhaps even manipulation skills, or to some extent that cunningness also, but you have used all ways and means to achieve this stability, whatever this stability is for you. Okay, so you have used your power also. You have used your power, you have used your skills, your strategies, and those whatever you could do in that situation, whatever you thought was possible for you in with that position or with that power, whatever position you were in, you did it. Okay, and you have achieved a stability. I'm not saying all this in a negative way. If you felt it was right, you did it. Okay, so but yes, you have used all those skills. I'm using the word skills, which is a positive way, but positive word. But yes, you have. Basically, the thing is, you've done what you thought was right for you. You've used every way to get a stability. But the problem, I'm emphasizing it again and again, because the problem here is that there is something which has happened, which is a fight, as a dispute or something. There is something which has happened over here because of the fact that it's coming out as because of this King of Swords energy, that you've been strategic, you've been using those ways, that you're so used to it, that I think there has been a dispute because of the fact you felt that energy, that you can boss around, you can do whatever you feel like, you can say whatever you feel like, and because of that there has been a dispute and people have left you. There is an energy of people leaving you, and there is a fight. It can be an actual argument, or people have been hurt even without your saying, whatever it is. But there is definitely, definitely an energy because of this King of Swords energy, that the way you have done things, the way you have achieved this Ten of Pentacles stability. Okay, there is something over here which is perhaps not very pleasant to the person, because you are so habitual of using this way or this nature of yours, that it has offended someone. Okay, or maybe many people, because it's three, so it can be one, it can be more than that. It's offended people over here, and because of this thing, this has not been taken in a good way. And the thing here is that after this dispute, the thing here is, with the Eight of Swords, now you are feeling as if you are held back, you are not able to make a progress, you are not able to make a move. And the thing here is because you overlooked what you were supposed to look at. Okay, you have missed the detail, you missed a thing, and because you were too busy in your own many ways, that you didn't notice an important thing, and because of that you have landed up in such a situation. And now with the Seven of Wands, you are struggling to defend your title, you are struggling to defend your position, you are struggling to defend, if it is a relationship, you are struggling to defend a relationship, because with the Ten of Pentacles over here, it is stability, but it is also a stability of a family. Okay, so here it is, now you are struggling to save it. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Now you are feeling bad about it, you really don't know how to go about it, but you are struggling to save it. Okay, now with the Five of Pentacles, you feel left out in the cold, you feel ignored. Perhaps the way you are struggling, it's just not helping out, because again we have the Five of Wands. Things are just not happening. You are trying to defend it, but still people are ignoring you, or people are not liking it, or you feel left out in the cold, you feel ignored, rejected, and there is an argument again. So I don't see that this is coming to a solution over here. And here with the Four of Cups, now you are very, very reluctant in accepting, and you are very upset. Basically, you really don't know what to do. You are very, very upset because of all this has happened. But over here, what I see is, with the Ace of Pentacles, there is definitely a new beginning over here. There is definitely a new beginning over here. And with the Knight of Swords, you just want to rush in towards this, whatever this is for you. Okay, if it's a person, if it's your career related thing, whatever it is, this is a new opportunity. You want to rush in towards this. And here with the Devil and the Emperor and the Hermit, oh my God, there are four major arcanas continuously. Okay. This is something important which has come up, which I also didn't realize, that there were four major arcanas coming next to next. So this is something important. This is associated with this new beginning, because over till here you are reluctant in taking anything. You are not ready to take anything because of this fight or whatever it has happened. But then you see something is there which you feel is going to give you a stability, which you feel is going to give you a long-term commitment if it is a relationship, and you just want to rush in towards it. But here, coming with the Devil card and the Emperor, the Hermit and the Death card, what I feel here is that it is something inside you that you need to work on. Something you need to let go of the control issues, perhaps, because here with the Emperor, it's something which is very, very controlling. Definitely, it's a behavior inside you, within you, which is very, very controlling, and that is what you need to let go of. You have to let go of this. The way you are rushing inside is, and the way you feel entitled to have things, that is the issue which is coming here with the emperor, because you feel that you can have it, you feel it's your right to have it. Okay, and that is the place of your mindset from where you feel from where you feel like controlling the things. Okay, so it's all about control of the emperor, which is not a very good place to be in. It's not a positive it is getting too much. Perhaps it is getting beyond the tolerance of the other person. So this is that thing which you need to correct upon, and you need to be in touch with your intuition. Do what your inner voice says. Go within, basically go within. Try to seek answers within you as to why things are not happening the way you want them to be. The way, why are things getting spoiled? That is what you need to look for the answers within with the Hermit card here. You have to work on this devil energy of yours. That means you need to work on that inner psyche, your inner thinking process. Whatever your mindset is, it is not coming out as a the impact is not very positive, and that is because coming with the emperorness next, what I am getting here is, it is because that you are too controlling, perhaps. Maybe you are too controlling on your partner, maybe you are too controlling in a situation. You need to go within and seek answers to correct them. Okay, and if you are able to do that, only then I think you will be able to correct it. Because what I feel here is, the way you are rushing in towards it, this new opportunity, I don't think that is going to materialize with the devil and the death card. I think it's coming, showing up as an end again. This situation is going to end. This situation is going to end. But the positivity is, I always try not to leave my readings at the death card. Okay, I just want to give that ray of hope, and that is coming up with the Knight of Cups. So basically, after the death card is the Knight of Cups. So whatever is ending, this situation is ending, and perhaps then you want to move towards someone else who's totally new. A very beautiful imagery which I am getting over here is, can you see this imagery? The parallel of this imagery, just see. Just now I also realized it for the first time. Just see, the imagery is exactly the same of the death card and the Knight of Cups. The only thing is the look of this and this. So this is what you need to change. That's what I'm getting. From this energy of a negative person, this is the transition which is called for. I think it is what is ending is, you need to end this transition. You need to end this, and you have to transit from this energy of a devil, not of a devil. I'm not saying that you're a devil. What I'm trying to say is, you need this transition now. This is how I should get it. This is the energy in which you are, and you need to transit yourself from this dominating negative and a controlling mindset to a loving person. That is what you need to transit to. Beautiful, beautiful. I just hope the person whom it resonates with gets it right. Just see, this is the transition. This is the transition which is called for in you. Change. You have to change from that to the Knight of Cups. It's your change. I don't see that you're moving towards something else. No, it's not that. It is that when you are beginning, you're seeing this as a solid foundations, and you're beginning, you're rushing in towards it. But the problem is your behavior, your thinking, your mindset, which is stopping you. Whatever the reason behind it is, go within, seek the answers, and make this transition. Make this transition. You have to come out as a loving person. You have to show your emotions. You can't be that controlling. And this is a transition which needs to be made, Sagittarians. It's a major transition. I'm so happy that I had a look at this, so that I could convey you the exact thing which you need to see. And just see here with the King of Spades, once again, it's all about the king, that control, that strategy, that administrative thing. So it is all about you try to take control, too much control of the situation. That's what, and that is the problem with you, and that is what is spoiling the things in your life. Number 5 may be of some significance for you. Embrace those around you. This is a time for great spiritual growth for you. Just see, what did I say with these cards? This is the time for the great spiritual growth for you, making it even more important to surround yourself with those who love you and share your beliefs. Be willing to accept help from others. You could find comfort in traditional solutions. So, or your heart may long to try out new ideas. So, this is what I say. You need to make a transition. It is a time for spiritual growth. You need to let this negative energy go and transit yourself. This is death card is all about transitions, transformations, changes. So this is the change which you are called for by the universe. Okay, and this is why this is happening, whatever is happening in your life, so that you are able to make this transition, so that you are able to realize what changes you need to make inside you to come into a loving energy, which is an actual loving energy rather than showing it to be as a loving energy. Okay, so I just hope it helps Sagittarians. A really powerful energy reading for you. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.